The ETS-Lindgren EMCenter is a modular chassis that allows you to plug in different cards for different functions, including monitoring a field probe, RF switching, controlling a turntable and mast, sensing power on a power meter, and signal generation. Here we have some of the cards that you can use in the EMCenter. This card is for monitoring field with a field probe. This particular card is for a laser-powered probe. We have two different switches shown here. We have several different types of switches available, but these are single pole, double throw, and 6-throw RF switches. We have a controller card that allows you to run 2 masts or 2 turntables or one of each. We have a card that will allow you to plug in USB power heads for sensing RF power. And we also have 2 different types of signal generator cards available. Now I'll demonstrate how to insert a card into the system. What we have right now is an EMCenter card for use with a laser-powered probe that we'll be demonstrating later. When you screw this in, there's 2 screws on the top and 2 screws on the bottom. There's no need to get them extremely tight. They're just to keep the card seated in the spot. The next thing that we'll be doing is connecting the laser probe to the laser card, but we wanted to highlight the laser channel on the probe has a raised copper nub, which is a keyway for the connection on the card, and it's critical to get this aligned properly. So when we insert this, we want the keyway to be up, and it's spring-loaded, so as you tighten this connection, it'll pull into that keyway, and you should almost be able to seat the connector all the way to the back shell on the card. And then the second connection is just an ST connection, which is pretty standard fiber, and it's just a push in and lock. Once you have the connections made that you need on the back of the EMCenter, the next step is to turn the mains power on.